an opinion that is not rooted in facts. I wish to bring some facts to the attention of the public in the presence of my good friend, Mikhail. So, in 2020, just when the pandemic hit, the parish of Mandeville was affected by water shortage. It's a little bit distant away, 3 years ago, nobody would remember that. But we have spent over $1.4 billion on the Greater Mandeville Water Improvement Project. 34,000 persons in this area, in Mandeville, will benefit from that. And you know, the complaints used to be many, but since the project is in progress, we have not been getting that many complaints, even during the drought, because it has improved quality of life. So that is, you know,